She's Pop, she's friends, lovers, and countrymen. So good morning. Today, I'm going to attend a wedding. My nephew's wedding. It's 22nd of August. So get ready with me. The entire day, get ready. We'll start with the get ready with me, and then let's see how I look. First time ko ulit in a decade para lumabas ng wedding or ganito. Okay, so let's see. Kagigising ko lang. See you later, guys. Ay, magklase ka ng nagmamadali ka. Yan. Yeah, because I have to go somewhere today that I canceled some of my classes, but I cannot cancel your class, okay?
What are you going to?
Yeah, I have to attend something like a
Where are you going?
huh?
Where are you going?
Somewhere, somehow. somewhere out there. Okay? Let's get started.
Are you going somewhere important?
Yeah, very important. Yeah, and I cannot cancel your class. So I just have to have the class early today. Miggy, your lesson is easy. Ika-curl ko siya. Diba? DIY lang. DIY lang siya lahat. Ako lang po ang gagawin. Oh, para magkulot-kulot lang yung hair ko. Kumanda naman siya. Mag-curl. Gusto ko mag-curl siya. Curly ba? Kasi budget na. Wala tayong budget for ano.
Papatayin ko na.
O, sige. Yan. Ready na. Okay na to. Alam mo yung madali yan. Sarili lang talaga. Ako lang po nag-arts sa kasal. Oh, Diyos ko. Lola nyo. Hindi talaga magaling mag-ayos-ayos. So, bahala na. Aura na lang.
Palakpakan po natin ang ibang unang alin pagkatapos ng kasal. Okay, sige, ready? 1, 2, 3.